Hello audiences, our group will present suicide in Thailand. More than 800,000 people choose suicide as a way out for every year. The rate of commit suicide in Thailand 5 to 4,000 people per year. In the presentation, we are going to cover 4 topics. The first topic is problem statement. Second are the solutions. Next, interpretation, and the last topic is conclusions. The influence people to commit suicide in Thailand are 3 serious problems. The first problem is about personal. The personal problem include debt, alcoholism, finance, and career. For example, debtor suicide to avoid settle dentist debt. Moreover, family problems are a factor to consider in suicide problem. For instance, it's either disease infected with bonds such as HIV. Finally, it's environmental problems. The environment can affect physical and mental health. According to the research, we are going to look into the 3 solutions. The first solution is using the media. First, report the helpful information. For example, in Guyana, their teachers teach their children about how to make a positive thinking or repairing the bad emotion by using the media. Moreover, it is about ban the news of the suicide. For example, in South Korea, they don't allow to report the news of suicide from their country or another country.
For the second solution, suicide hotline open 24 hours for advise people who wishing to commit suicide. Each country has suicide hotline. Furthermore, due to currently the technology have many laws, programmers develop applications to help people who attempt suicide. For instance, Facebook has a suicide prevention function for users. Facebook can detect the posts that appear to be suicidal. It will trigger a series of notifications offering help. However, this function is used only in United States. Another function is Siri on iOS device. Siri function can provide suicide hotline when the user says about suicide.
The last solution is establishment of suicide prevention organization. According to the United States and Hong Kong, they use this solution mainly. This organization is similar to the center, which is responsible for suicide prevention in the country. It provides useful information and research to look for the cause and support the ways to reduce the suicide rate. Moreover, it offers a program training that helps suicidal persons interact with each other. It is clear that the suicide prevention organization have to be the first solution for countries while confronted with this problem.
For interpretation, there are 3 solutions that Thailand should follow to reduce the rate of suicide. The first solution is using the media. The second, auto call suicide hotline. And the last, suicide prevention training. The first solution is using the media to report about helpful information about warning signs and the possibility of defense. The government of Thailand must restrain the news of suicide because it can make an inspiration for the people to suicide. Moreover, social media has contributed to help people wishing to commit suicide. For instance, Facebook has a function that can detect the posts that appear to be suicidal. It will trigger a series of notifications offering help. Finally, Thailand has Ministry of Public Health is the organization that manages the problem of suicide, but it is not true. Thailand should have infrastructure that teach about manage with stateful and teach necessary skills for keep up with the upsetting situation.
In conclusion, suicide is the significant global problem. Personal problems, family problems, and environmental problems are the main cause of suicide in Thailand. So, suicide comes from the accumulation of problems. As research result, there are 3 effective solutions that should apply to Thailand in terms of using media, other call hotline on social media, and dissemination of suicide prevention. However, the result of all solutions depend on participation of people in the country. This is all of this presentation. We hope you will realize that suicide prevention is our business. Thank you for watching.